What's good, y'all? It's your boy Cam and
Taya.
And today, man, we're gonna prank Kai again, bruh. Kai, it's not stopping. It's not stopping until we hit 100K, bruh. Probably even until we hit 1 million. But look, man, today we're gonna do the honk prank on him, man. Today he gonna be driving, and it's his day off. And what better way of a great day off than having everybody on the road honk at you? And today, man, you look. Honk. It's for a prank. What the other one say?
I didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't write on that one?
Showed out.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we got tape. We're gonna put on his car, and we just want to ride around with him, and hopefully everybody honks at him. So
I mean, I guess we can use both of them. And I'll just make this look better.
Okay. Bet. You wanna do it to me?
Here, you tape it. I'll hold it.
Yeah. You gonna record me? I'll hold it.
Is it still recording?
All right. Yeah. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna use this tape first.
Okay, it's the first paper.
All right. Where's my put it at?
Oh, that's good.
Let's go right here.
Yeah.
You see me?
Can y'all see that?
You see me? So you stand right there?
Yeah, I can see. It's a little bright, but I can see you. It's like, if y'all know Kai, like, he gets in his feelings so fast.
Bro, he is gonna be so mad today.
We gotta hurry up before, like, one of them call us or something. Babe.
I can't breathe. Bro, he gonna be so mad. Honk. It's for. Honk. It's for.
We gonna write a prank on the tape a little bit so you can see it better.
Okay. Bro, we should have him like go dumb. And like when he get out, bro, he gonna try to open Jenny's door, right?
Right.
And we should just like
we just have Jenny in on it then, because we're gonna need her to be like, no, I can open my own door.
Okay, that's good. Should we have more papers tape?
No, because it's starting to block the words.
Okay. Alright, bet. Got it right there, man. And we're gonna just write it a little bit more, coming closer. Like that?
Dang, this sun is ridiculous.
It's messing it up.
Can't see. Yeah, this sun is freaking ridiculous.
I know, right?
Like, I'm zooming in and everything. I'm trying everything.
Really? Hold on.
Let me see the marker.
There you go.
Hold this.
Honk is for a prank. What you wanna do? You want to use this or no?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on this side too.
Oh, okay. Bet.
Because it might be, you know how you're like in a lane.
Uh-huh.
And it's people over here that can see it, but not the people.
Oh yeah. Alright, bet, man. So we're gonna speed this up. Nah, we ain't gonna speed this up, man. We need our minutes. But yeah, man, before we get into this video, oh god, dog, hold on, I'm gonna squat down. Alright, y'all, before we get into this video, make sure you guys like this video, share with your friends, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bro, we get over 100 views. That means we should be getting 100 likes. So if you're watching this right now, like the video already. And I read this thing and it was like, if you get a lot of likes on your videos, you'll get like recommended easier. So if you guys smash the like button right now, if we get 100 views and 100 likes at the same time, we're more likely to blow up. So if you guys like this video right now, we won't have to ask you for more likes because we'll just get it naturally. So like the video, you know what I'm saying? And let's get right into this video, man. 2020 gonna be amazing, man. Let's get it. Babe, how's it looking?
It's a little light, but
hold on, I'm gonna go out here. Bro, I can see it. I can see it good. Well, the camera can't. Oh, we shouldn't be showing his license, huh? But that's not even his though. It's not even his. So don't even try to look up his license, y'all. That's not his car. Don't try him like that. But
don't look it up unless you can fight.
Yeah, don't look it up unless you can bump about it. But man,
if you can fight, by all means.
By all means, look it up if you can fight here. Nah, man. So we're gonna get this second one set up, and we'll be right back for you guys, right, babe?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, y'all. Fix the camera settings, and bro, we got to go inside. Let's show the finished work. You know what I'm saying?
It's not the best.
It's not the best, but
look,
I think it's amazing, babe. You did good.
He's about
Give me a high five.
He's about to get pranked.
He better get pranked, man. Like I said, tell him what to do, babe.
Y'all don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and make sure y'all share our videos with your friends.
And you ready to get back in this thing?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Let's get it. And Bae is about to go to Jenny, his girlfriend, and get her in on the prank, so he doesn't walk around the car and see it. So we finna make this amazing.
It's just like, they like to open the doors for us. So like, if he opens the door, she's clearly going to see it.
Yeah.
Well, he's going to see it. I can't.
So man, I'm scared. I'm gonna try to hype it up. I'm gonna be like, bro, if somebody honked at me like that, I'm hitting them, and I'm gonna be like, bro, in front of my girl. Ah, bro, you gotta get out and say something. And then he just gonna get hot, bro. I'm gonna just instigate the mess out of it. Smash the like button, man. We're finna see what they gonna do, man. And we're finna just tell them to, let's get out of this house.
I really pray that this works, because you know some people would just look and be like,
yes,
I'm not finna hung.
I think everybody go home. We should write, he not gonna do nothing, just do it. But let's get it. Oh, should I even come in vlogging? Cause y'all, we with the squad. Bae got Waters on deck. Jenny, Makai, how y'all doing?
I just want to know, if I throw this water bottle at the back of Makai's head, will he go like this?
We still what? I don't know.
I should throw both of them at the same time.
I love how this morning our cars were over there. Now it turned out to be over here.
Oh, yeah, man. Just dumb. But yeah, man, for the Go to Town Center, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this little date vloggy vlog. We all going on a date. Oh, what is it called, Kai?
He said a night.
Oh wait, Jit, do that one more time. Hold on.
Baby.
Wait, do that one more time. How you do it? Hold on. I like this cool shot. Do it. Yes, sir. All right, just get in the car, dude.
Can you open the door?
When I get there so I can open it.
All right, y'all. Now do that junk again. Do that junk again, then. Jit, I'm saying like, oh, almost. Yeah. Okay. Yo. Okay, get in the car, dude. All right, so.
What? Say.
Oh, what?
Oh, because remember the Christmas tree?
Oh yeah.
I gotta cut. All right, let's go. Ooh, bro, can you like go the other way? Don't go I-95 way. Like, you know the way you go to work? Don't go that way. Go like the Wawa way. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, that's so far.
Oh, you talking about highway?
Through each other.
Got to. What the heck?
They're up.
No one does.
Nah. What are we, cops?
Wait, what the?
What the freak?
Why they honking your truck?
Why they laughing, bro?
Why they honking your truck?
Bro, they're laughing.
You can't drive?
They're laughing.
You can't drive it. Jit, what is that? Is red light?
They're laughing at our shit.
They riding on your jump.
I thought it was green. It's not.
They laughing at your jump.
I don't know, bro. I'm about to honk back.
Honk back, dude.
There's a cop right there.
There's a cop right there, dude. Just chill. Just chill.
I think it's funny. They got little grills in there.
They honking your shit up. They is honking your. But what is you doing to them? Do you know them?
Bro, what the hell?
You gotta know them, bro. I don't know them. You sure? You don't know black people? No. Oh, they all. Bro, they all honking at your jump, bro. What the fuck is going on? Dude. Why the fuck are they honking at my shit? They say cracking up. They cracking up. What's wrong with you, bro? You can't drive. See, that's why. Bro, this is exactly why.
It's the way you braking, bro.
Yeah, you do be braking like all the way up here, bro. Like you need to freaking brake right. You need to brake better, bro. What they doing?
Looking at you.
They freaking going crazy, bro. Don't honk back, bro. Not gonna honk. Why is everybody standing over there? Cause we.
Makai, cause you're staring at them.
Yes, bro. Yeah, bro. Cause you keep looking back. Just drive. Just drive. Like that's exactly.
Oh,
What the fuck is going
just
on?
drive.
I'm about to fucking kill one of these people. Bro, there's a semi truck that's honking at you, dude. What is happening?
Where are you
Going
going?
around. People are following me. Nobody following you, dude. They following me, mom.
Who following you? No one following you.
Ain't nobody following you, dude.
There's so much traffic today.
It is a lot. And Kai, you need to drive right.
Bro,
I'm driving right.
You can just cut straight, baby.
Why everybody keeps
No, don't. Go just straight.
That's where I'm going.
Cause
But yeah, man. Vlogmas is seeming pretty lit. So y'all just stay tuned for the bangers, man. We finna be posting every day, man. We gonna try to post every day, right, babe? Period poo. Say period poo.
Why
is dang, why they honking? They honking on your jump. They is wigging. Everybody honking at you. Give me the camera. Why are they honking at my jump? They honking. Why are they honking?
I'm so dead.
Bro, cause you look what you're doing in your brakes. Bro, I'm sitting here.
Legit laughing at you.
Look what you're doing in your brakes. And you ask why they honking at you. You cannot. You should have just let Jenny. Drive. Bro, you should have just let Jenny drive, bro. Cause what the heck?
I would have jumped.
Hey. Fine, you want to switch?
No, I'm good.
Okay then. Yeah, man. Car can't drive, y'all. So if y'all don't see this vlog, it's cause he can't drive. So. Hey.
Go, 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 go.
I get it if one car honk at you, but 2 cars in a semi truck honked at you. Bruh, I don't know why they're honking. I'm doing fine.
Hey, look at that.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? He's staring at you, bro. Hell, bro. I'm so dead, bro. Staring me down.
Look, that I don't even know what that girl is.
Man.
Get out your feelings. It's okay.
Why are you honking on my shit, bro? Because I'm recording my shit. Hold up, bro.
Who recorded you?
One of those people that was like recording. Something's on the back of my. I swear to God, if it's some dumb shit. It's honking at my shit. What happened? Are you serious? Bro, just deal with it, bro. Just deal with it for the rest of the day, bro. Please, watch out. Just deal with it, bro. Let's see how many people honk, bro. Just chill.
Wait, I want to see how big this car is.
Bro, let's just see how many people honk today, okay? Are you kidding me? Just don't get mad, bro. Okay? Bro, they was recording your drop, bro. And they took a picture of our channel. What are they honking? Probably because you can't drive, bro. Bro, keep it on there, bro.
I can't believe that semi truck.
Because Bae was out in the back window like, honk. Honk. He said,